Okay, I like that. Nice. I'm not sure what I'm feeling today. All right, we got something going. You know what? Let's tear it up real quick. Let's do something dope. All right, let's do this. Okay, that's one song down. That's one song down. We did it. What else can we do? Okay, actually, this might be fun. For those of you who are interested, let's talk about. I want to talk about how all this works and why I like this. So I've got my keyboard here, and I can play any sound I want through the computer. Okay. So I can play any song, any sound I want, and that sends it to my looper here. This is my Boss RC505 looper, and every show. Okay, here's what I was gonna say. Man, it takes me a while to get my thoughts together. This looper, I erase the songs each time I make a beat like this because it's impromptu and it's in the moment. So every show is inherently unique. Every show is its own show because I erase these songs afterwards. And I love this because you can literally, let me show you. Instead of talking about it, let me show you. Let me clear this song off. Let me erase this. Okay, so I just cleared that, and you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally make a song out of anything you want, and I mean you can literally literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything. Make a song out of anything. Now we need to add some funk to this. Literally make a song out of. We need to add some funk to this. You can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything. All right, here we go. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally. So that's how it works. That's how it works. That's how I loop sounds into my looper, and I make songs. Now, I really like this because, okay, here's what I was going to say. I like this because it makes you be in the moment. Let me explain what I mean. So there's no time to worry about what you look like or if it sounds good. You just got to create. Like, this puts me on the spot, and I really like that. I took this acting class one time, and the instructor was trying to get us to be in the moment. So he had us, like, make all these sounds. He was like, you can't repeat a sound. So everybody's in the room going, ooh, and everybody's making new sounds. And then after like a minute of that, he was like, now start doing movements. Start moving your body. You can't repeat a movement. So people are going, and making weird movements and sounds. But since you couldn't repeat anything, you just had to keep making new stuff. Eventually you're unaware of yourself, and you were only being in the moment. And I think some of those same like processes or ideas are in play when you're doing like live music production like this. That's why I like this. So that was a long-winded response, but I love this because it makes me be in the moment. I could do this for days. I could just make music and jam out for days. So let's do that, huh? Literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can make. You can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, this is just like cool to put on in the background if you gotta like study or you're cooking something or just need something in the background. Should I rap? I don't know, I'm not a rapper.
But I'm not a rapper.
But I'm not a rapper. Yeah, let's just not rap. Let's just solo some more. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, you can literally make a song out of anything you want. And I mean, all right, I'm 13 minutes in. I can see my time is up, and I appreciate y'all for joining me today. This show is like if a variety show and the Tonight Show and a podcast had a baby. This is that show. This is the Tonight Show plus a podcast plus a variety show. So I hope you enjoy it. I really appreciate you watching it. This show is weekly, every weekday. It's every weekday. All right, I'm out of stuff to say. I got to go to Petco and pick up dog food because the dogs are out of food. My name's Jeannie. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, hit like. And if you feel like it, hit subscribe because it really helps out the channel, and share it with people. We're all in this thing together, y'all. So let's make some music. All right, peace.